Hey fam, Chichi here, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a couple of unboxings. Nothing big, nothing major, but I have tiny little things from Swarovski and Chanel Beauty. If you're new here, hey, I'm Chichi and I talk about all things lavish but logical. So if that's your sort of thing, go ahead, subscribe, make some friends in the comment section, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. So I actually bought these things back in June, I want to say, like kind of around my birthday. This first thing I haven't even opened. So it's been sitting here since June, but it's from Chanel. And I actually posted on my TikTok about this particular thing. I don't like using the word viral, but I definitely had a lot of views on my TikTok in reference to this. So Chanel ended up having these lovely little beauty items. Hold on, I gotta get this open because you know you got to get the full effect. Ooh, she's cute. Okay, we got a nice little note here. Ooh, I think there's samples. It's so terrible that I haven't opened this. Like, y'all know I've been trying to get my little den together, but I got a sample of the Chanel chunks and a night cream. Sure, why not? But I like the bag. That's cool. But anywho, getting back to the good stuff. If you're on my TikTok, you should know what this is. I got the double-sided mirror. Look at it. It's so cute. If we could focus, that would be fantastic. This is in the sage color that they have. I don't know the official name of it. If I find it out, I'll put it up on the screen, but this is the little pouch it came in. I've always wanted this Chanel double mirror. It's so simple, but I've always wanted it. So this actually went a little crazy, and it's so funny because when I posted the TikTok, I think it had just launched. I had already made my order before I posted it, and everybody's like, oh my God, everybody like, they're so pretty. And I liked it. I thought this, ooh, she zooms in. Oh. I've never had one of these before, so I was just like, you know what? Treat yourself just a little bit for your birthday, and you know, live a little. But I love that it came with its own protective sleeve. It was just cute to me. It was cute, so I wanted to purchase that for myself. But you know, I've been thinking ahead, and I was like, you know what? She wants new energy, new vibes too. So I had went back onto the site. Yeah. She did it again. She did it again. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead. Now, the interesting part was that when I purchased mine, I forgot how much it was. But then somebody commented like, oh, they just raised the prices. They literally raised the price by like $10. And I was like, really? Like, how y'all gonna do that? Ooh, the color was on there. The one I got was Cavalier Seul, number 131. Then I had gotten, this is so not me, but if it's gonna be this shade, it's gonna be this one. I got 143 Diva. Here is Diva. Now, I did think that this would be a little bit more pink than what it is. I thought it would, you know, this looks more red than pink in my opinion. But I was like, okay, we have that. So again, I might end up saving these for like a giveaway because I'm like, these are cute, but is it really me? Is it really me? Especially this one. Yes, I got 3. Mind your business. No judgments. I knew this color was going to be popular. I already knew the pinks were going to be popular, but I got Ballerina. Ballerina is 111. And she's really, really cute. I actually, now that I'm seeing them, I actually like Ballerina more than Diva. And I'm not even this type of pink kind of girl. But, like, this is very soft and pink. Like, this is very, very girly. I know people were complaining about the quality of it. Like, I can't attest to it because I've never had the black one. But I thought these were really, really cute. They sold out really fast. But I managed to get my hands on them when it first dropped, which is always really rare. But yeah, I think the Diva one surprised me that I didn't love it as much. But I might have to do a future giveaway. Who knows? Maybe, maybe when I hit 10,000. When I hit 10,000, maybe I'll gift this to one of you. So get my numbers up, cause you know, she want to be part of the 10K crew. It's not a real thing. But let's get into the real unboxing from Swarovski. I had this on my mind for a very, very long time. It was on sale one time, and I was just like, I'm gonna pass on it. Because I never saw it in person. Like, I already knew which color I wanted. I already knew. But I was like, damn, I wish I could see it in person. So one of my trips I made to the cosmetic company store, there's a Swarovski outlet. And they actually happened to have these earrings. And I was like, ooh, okay. I could test them out, see how I like them. So this is the Swarovski box, if you're not familiar with it. If this camera will do its job. So here is the box. So these earrings, 1000%. Once I say her name, you already know who's to blame for this. It's Cassie. Cassie girl, you got me. She has, I want to say, the yellow ones. And who else has it? Simply Aisha. She also has these earrings. And I would look at them and I'm like, damn, like, these are really nice. So I was like, I want to get them, but I don't want yellow. And I saw these different person activated. Oh, yeah, I would see both of them rocking this. And I'm just like, oh my gosh. I just knew the green ones were going to be my, look at it. Just, oh, so good. So I was like, yeah, the green ones definitely spoke to me the most because I was like, it can go dressy. Granted, I'm not a dressy kind of girl, but you see how razzle dazzle. Oh. I was like, oh, she's cute. So I was just like, yeah, I really want the green ones. And when I saw them in person, I was like, absolutely. This one spoke to me the most. The yellow one, it spoke to me the least, to be honest. And I was like, and Swarovski was having a fabulous sale. I think I got this for, I think it was, they were half off, and then they were either running an extra 10 or 15, or was it 20? A 20% off on top of. So I got these for the low, because you know I won't. But this is my first ever Swarovski like piece of anything, and these got some weight to it. Like, I didn't realize they got a little weight. My ear can hold it, but I was like, oh, she's shaking. But these look so good. I'm sorry, I keep looking at myself, but aren't they cute, girl? So while I was at the outlet, I didn't pick it up from the outlet. I actually ordered it online because they had a better discount. But the fact that I could see all 4 shades, I was like, oh, okay. And then this one. This one was like, I didn't think I would like you. Any guesses on the color? Take a guess. Pink like the inside of the baby. Look at this. Look at them. Like, are you for real? So I saw these. Everybody knows I am not a pink girl. I think I have to kind of stop saying that at this point because I don't hate pink. I never hated pink. It's just not my preferred color. But this one, I was just like, yes. Oh, yes. Hold on, let me. I feel like a girl. It's something playful about it. A little cute, little sexy, little, you know? Like, if I had went to the Renaissance concert, these are the earrings I would have wore. Like, like so cute. And I don't know, there's a youthfulness to this particular pair. I was just like, oh, I don't know why she was speaking to me, but I said, hello. How are you? Nice to meet you. It was so cute. And then I was like, okay, we got to think logically. What could you pair with this? And I was thinking I can pair it with my Brandon Blackwood, Courtney Black. You know what? So they're not exactly the same pinks, but you kind of get my drift. I look like a whole different person right now. Look at Courtney. Can't get it up over my arm, but too bad. Like, summer is ended. But yeah, this is the vibe I was kind of like thinking about when I purchased these earrings. I was like, okay, it's not exactly the same, but it gives like a little monochrome vibe. So I was like, okay, she cute. But yeah, I was like, I really like these earrings. Like, I thought they were cute, and I'm getting out of my comfort zone. That's the theme of the second part of this year. So I hope you like these little unboxings. Check out some of my other videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.